The secret to your success may have everything to do with doing less. And if that sounds really good to you, you're going to like the Feng Shui of the day. So let's get started. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dana Claudat. I'm a modern Feng Shui master and founder of the School of Intention, which is an entire method and school of Feng Shui based on infinite possibility. Everything's possible. Creative awakening, because that's your manifesting power, your creativity, and your intention, your wishes, dreams, and desires. Feng Shui has everything to do with becoming more magnetic. Feng Shui, in the way at least that I practice it, has everything to do with becoming balanced in your best ways. This is a real personal feeling of balance. For some people that means moving faster. For some people that means even more alone time, even more time in quiet. I know a lot of you are highly sensitive like I am, and it feels really good to have more time just for you. So as you're thinking about relaxing more, this is about doing this guilt-free, doing this without feeling pressure or like you should be doing something else, doing this without having to justify it. Oftentimes, a lot of people tell me, I'm going to spend the weekend doing a lot of self-care and it's going to be really productive for me because of this. Not everything needs to be productive. And in fact, this is going to be most productive if you don't try to make it productive. I'm talking about real relaxation in this video today. Really relaxing, really shutting off your mind, really not having to achieve anything, really having fun, really feeling super calm and present in the moment. When you relax, it is prosperous. It is prosperous in so many ways. So we're going to go through a whole load of ways that relaxation can make you more abundant. And before I go further, the School of Intention is open now for registration. And for those of you who want to become a Feng Shui professional, trained in this one of its kind in the world, unique method of Feng Shui, below you can find all the details to learn more, to book a call with me, to join us in the school. I would love to talk to you. I'd love to welcome you in. So now, relax. There are so many prosperous benefits of relaxation, and I'm going to stress this word, prosperous. And we're going to start with your root chakra. So your root chakra is located at the base of your spine. I have a whole video about root chakra Feng Shui. The root chakra, the energetic system in your body, has everything to do with feeling super present in the moment, grounded, feeling cared for, feeling safe, feeling well. It's your wellness, it's your vitality, and it's also the core of your prosperity and money, this one energy system in your body. Now, when you relax, your root chakra can become stronger. When you are tense, your root chakra gets extremely stressed. This is how we burn out. This is how we overtax ourselves when you feel like you're just running on empty, running on fumes. Your health is also your wealth. Keep that in mind. Your well-being, your mental, emotional well-being is also your wealth. All of this will make you more prosperous and may just make you a lot more money. Now, there's another aspect to this, which is you will get out of constant survival mode. The number of people I know who are in a feeling of constant survival mode, so stressed, so panicked, everything is do or die, everything is so important, this instinct to constantly go and go and go. And they feel like I did, because I used to live like this, like if you stop putting your foot on the gas every day, if you stop pushing and pushing and pushing, then life is just going to fall apart. Everything's going to be gone. Nothing's going to be left. And my realization after burning out for the millionth time and having nothing to show for it at all was that if my life needed to be foot on the gas 24 hours a day, then I needed to change my life, because that's not a life that I want to be living. I need to make a change. And when I allowed myself to relax more, suddenly the whole world opened up. this can be so simple at its core. I know that it's not always easy when you're really busy to find time to relax, but you can find the time, and trust me, it will be so worth it, especially if you're not feeling guilty about it, especially if you're embracing it. Another thing that happens when you relax is that it helps you to see things from another perspective. When you're, again, full speed ahead, tunnel vision, go, 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 it's very hard to get other viewpoints because you get in a sort of habit train. You're just on this road and you're moving and you're moving and you're locked into the way that things are right now. This is just the way that they are. But if you can allow yourself to relax more, you can start seeing things from other perspectives. You'll pick up other information. You'll get other types of inspiration. Another benefit of relaxing more is that you will look and feel better, because when you are more relaxed, you will be more magnetic to love, more magnetic to happy people, more magnetic to great abundance and great things, because when you are relaxed, you are literally a magnet for great things. And this is the core of why we're talking about this today. I am a believer in creating and pushing your limits, running a faster mile and challenging yourself and all of that. But there's a very big difference between challenging yourself and pushing yourself to every limit in an unproductive way. And you know the difference. And what I'm here to help you to do is to become more magnetic in every way. Feng Shuiing your home will make you more magnetic in every way. Working on this, relaxation, will make you more magnetic in every way, and it'll prompt you to make new choices in your home as well. When you are relaxing, you are opening up to those channels of information that can flow through you. There's so much more creative inspiration in relaxation rather than tension. In fact, lots of creativity teachers who are renowned talk about how stress and tension is sort of the enemy of this great masterpiece making. Relax, and you will be able to receive more of those creative muses and ideas and great things. Also, when you're more relaxed, you will have an easier time flowing instead of forcing things. And this can be the difference between actual achievement of a lot of things and feeling like you're rolling a boulder up a hill trying to get things done. When you can get into that state of flow, that state of ease, that state where things come together with synchronicity, that's the magic zone. If you think about all the things that have come together for you in life, chances are you weren't sort of in a feverish panic all the time, throughout the whole time. At some point, you may have said, I'm going to surrender. I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to take care of myself for a little while. I'm going to get more sleep. I'm going to be good to myself. And in that space, suddenly, boom, all these things showed up. Some of the biggest breakthroughs will come when you can really embrace this sense of vital relaxation, whether it's meditating, taking days off, shutting your phone off on the weekends, shutting your phone off at night, getting more sleep, taking breaks at work, getting off your phone when you're not working, cutting down on your screen time, doing things that are joyful and restful for you, like maybe making art in a meditative way, cooking in a meditative way, going for meditative walks, all the things that are relaxing and enriching and not focused on just achievements. This is such a demonstration of how much you trust in yourself, how much you trust in the universe, how confident you are. You don't need to constantly be productive. You are saying to the universe, I am designing my life in ways where I feel great and I can create great things in the world. And that is, in my eyes, part of self-actualization, living your best life, having it all the good things. And that's one of the big reasons why I love sharing this work with you. I hope that this inspires you to relax a little bit more or a lot more. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with your friends. And if you want to become a Feng Shui professional this year, the School of Intention is open now for registration, and all the details are below. This whole entire channel is full of videos for you to explore, and I will be back soon with more. Bye.